أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما، ورب الملائكة والمقربين، الذي خلق السماوات والأرض ثم استوى على العرش، والذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله، والصلاة والسلام على نبينا حبيبنا محمد صلى الله عليه وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني. ربنا إننا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. اللهم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العزيز الحكيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. اللهم يسر ولا تؤثر واتمم بالخير. इंशाअल्लाह हम फिर अपने अरबी ज़बान की क्लासेस शुरू करेंगे। सबसे पहले मैं एक रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि ये जो मैं इमेज आ रहा है अरबिक लैंग्वेज बुक, अरबिक कोर्स फॉर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्टूडेंट्स, इसकी एक फ़ोटोस ले लीजिए आप। ये फ्रॉम मदीना इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी। ये इट इज़ अवेलेबल इजीली ऑन ऑनलाइन, तो आप इसे मंगा ले सकते हैं। आप ये सेट ऑफ 3 बुक्स है, 1, 2 and 3, that will cost about 450 rupees. It has been written beautifully by one scholar, Abdul Rahim Saab, who expired his last just about 1.5 years back. To put it shortly, his books are world famous, this set of books, and we should feel proud that this gentleman was from India, South India, from Vellore, very near to Bangalore, who was in the faculty of Arabic language in Madina University for more than 40 years. And these books have been translated into most of the languages throughout the world. Inshallah, we'll also make use of this set of books. If you can get it, that will be very nice. Even if not, you can download it from the internet also. It is available. But if you have it hard copy, that will be better, so that you can make some notes with pencil that can be removed subsequently. Though last time we had some discussions about the noun, then we had some discussions about the pronouns. We learned that there are 2 categories of pronouns: the personal pronouns and the possessive pronouns. Each set is 14 in number. Personal pronouns, we use these personal pronouns to mention about the person who is talking about or is being addressed to. Third person, singular, masculine, with the right hand finger, we said we'll say hua, huma, hum. Hua for 1, huma for 2, hum for more than 2. For a feminine, hiya, huma, hunna. Second person in front of us, masculine, anta, 1 person, antuma, 2 person, antum, more than 2 persons. Feminine, anti, antuma, antunna, for 1, 2, and more than 2. First person who is talking about mutakallim, ana for me, nahnu for we two or more than 2. Same for masculine and feminine. Then the possessive pronouns, we learned that if you have to say his something, we say kitabuhu. His book is kitabuhu. Like that. Kitabuhuma, the book belonging to 2 persons, 2 male. Kitabuhum. For a feminine, kitabuha, kitabuhuma, kitabuhunna. For second person, kitabuka, आपकी किताब है, तेरी किताब, addressing a male. Kitabukuma, kitabukum, kitabuki, kitabikuma, kitabikunna. मेरी किताबी, हम सबकी किताब, किताबुना, इतना सीखे थे हम. वो विल कंटिन्यू लेटर on as and when come. Let us start with this book. In Arabic it is called دروس اللغة العربية لغير ناطقين بها, which translated to English will be lessons in Arabic language for non-speaking of that language. Juz al-Awwal is first uh, part, or volume 1. Juz al-Awwal, volume 1. So in a beautiful way, he has followed a simple method, start with a minimal lower level, gradually builds up. It is self-explanatory. If you have got any doubt, you can note down with pencil. If you have got this set, better to get a hard copy. 3 sets will cost you not more than 450 rupees. You can just get it done, and then you can note down these things. Now, the first lesson comes like this. الدرس الأول. The first lesson. Awwal is first. Dars is lesson. Ad-dars will be the. As we learned that if you add al, it becomes proper noun. Darsun is any dars. Ad-darsu will be the lesson. Ad-darsul awwal. Now in this, some basically start with this lesson. And how to remove this? Haza. Haza is the main topic of discussion in this lesson. Haza means this. Haza is this. Now it starts with small sentences with pictorial background. Pictorial background. This is a figure of a house. So underneath he writes Haza Baytun, which means this is a house. As you know, Baytun in Arabic language, any word ending with this two harkats will be a common noun. A bayt, a house. Haza baytun. This is a house. There is no need to write is or as or was. That is implied. Haza baytun means this is a house. Now they have put a picture of masjid, and it will be Haza masjidun. This is a masjid. Haza babun. Bab is door. Haza bab. Those who have gone to Mecca or Medina for Umrah, Ziyarat or Hajj, they are known that all the doors have been named. Babul Fatah, Babul Umrah, Babul Abdul Aziz. So each bab means door. Haza babun, this is a door. Now see the picture is a book. In Arabic, he writes Haza kitabun, same pattern. Haza is this for a near object. Haza kitabun will be this is a book. Next picture depicts a pen. It is khalamun in Arabic. This is a pen will be written and told as Haza khalamun. Then key. Key is miftah. Haza miftahun. There are famous small hadith from the Prophet ﷺ where he says, As-salatu, the prayers, salah, namaz. As-salatu miftahul jannah. Namaz is the key for paradise. Miftah is key. Then next two more. Maktabun. Maktabun has got other meanings also, but basically you can take it as to being a table. Maktab also, depending on the reference to context, it will mean office. are also the department. So now we take it maktab as a table. Haza maktabun. This is haza sarirun. Sarir is a couch or a cot or place where one relaxes or reclines. The plural of sarir is surur. Surur comes very frequently. Fiha sururun marfu'ah. Fiha sururun mawzuna. So surur is couches where the people in the paradise will be relaxing, facing each other. Chair in Arabic also is called kursi, but pronunciation kursiyun. There is a shadda tashdid here. Haza kursiyun means this is a chair. So coming to the next page. Ma haza. This is a question. Haza, we know it is this. Ma means what? Ma haza. Incidentally, the same spelling, same pattern, has got other meanings also, which we'll know later on. Now, one of the meaning is what? To raise a question. Ma haza, what is this? He has given this figure and he says here, ma haza. That means, what is this? Like any other language, if the question is what is this, we start with this is a house. Haza baytun. Ma haza? Haza baytun. Now, also is a word used for questioning, but this is used when you expect the answer in positive or negative, when you expect the answer in yes or no. Ahaza baytun, translated in English, it will mean, is this a house? Ahaza baytun means, is this a house? Na'am. Na'am means yes. Na'am, yes. Then you give gap. Na'am. Then say haza baytun. Yes, this is a house. Is this a house? Na'am. Haza baytun. Ma haza. What is this? As you know, it is a shirt. The shirt in Arabic, like in Urdu, it called a khamis. Khamisun. Haza khamisun. Next. He has shown a figure of a chair. And the question is, ahaza sarirun? This would mean, is this a bed? Obviously, it is not a bed. So say no in Arabic is la. This famous word we come across very frequently in the Holy Quran. Our kalme shahadat, it says that la ilaha. There is no ma'bud illallah except Allah. La means no. La. Ahaza sarirun? Is this a bed? No. Haza kursiyun. No. This is a chair. Now, this one, ahaza miftahun, would mean, is this a key? The figure doesn't depict a key, depicts a pen. So naturally, answer would be la. That means no. Haza khalamun. This is a pen. This pattern, simple pattern of answering, you must learn. Ahaza miftahun, is this a key? No, this is a pen. The same answer, ahaza miftahun, can be replied in other little more elaborate way, but that will come later on. But at this stage, we'll know this answer more than sufficient. Ahaza miftahun? La. Nahi. No. This is a khalam. This is haza khalabun. Next. This is a star. Star is najm. This sukun or jim, najmun. Haza Najmun. This is a star. Hope it is clear. This pattern gradually builds up the difficulty of level of the lessons. Simple new words gradually they get accumulated. Of course, that is the corpus. Unless we have got new words, we can't make sentences. We will not be able to convey our ideas. So, going to the next page. In this page, the heading is Tamreen. Tamreen 1. Tamreen means exercise or practice. Exercise or practice. Physical exercise, Tamreen al-Badani. Bodily exercise or bodily practice. So Tamreen is exercise or practice. Here, we are just revising what we have learned so far. He has put a figure here and is asking, Ma haza, what is this? So obviously it is a key, and for key in Arabic we say miftahun. Haza miftahun. Next, this is a book. So Ma haza, what is this? The book is kitab. Haza kitabun should be the answer. Then a pen, figure of pen is depicted, and the question is Ma haza, what is this? So we obviously know we will reply as haza khalamun. This is a door. Ma haza, haza babun. Babun. Bab means door. It also can mean chapter. We later come to know other meanings of that. But in Arabic, many times same word has got multiple meanings. So the commonest bab means door. So we'll stick on to that at this stage. Ma haza, haza babun. Now this simple. It is a small house. Ma haza, what is this? Haza baytun. Ma haza, it is a chair. In Arabic it is kursiyun. Haza kursiyun. Hope it is clear, simple. Hope there are no problems so far. All simple letters which will be required in daily use, and we should try to memorize the names and these words. Tamreen Ithnain. Practice exercise number 2. He has depicted a picture of a masjid, and the question is Ahada Baitun. When the question is in this pattern, Ahaza, is this a house? The answer expected is either in affirmation, if it is correct, or in negative, if it is not so. Ahaza Baitun, is this a house? La, no. Haza Masjidun would be the appropriate answer at this stage. Ahaza Baitun, la. Haza Masjidun. Then the second one. Ahaza Miftahun, is this a key? La. Haza Khalamun. Next, a shirt is depicted. Shirt in Arabic is khamisun. Ahaza khamisun. Now, the answer should be either yes or no. Obviously, it is yes. So we'll say na'am.
نعم
Na'am. Na'am. Haza khamisun. अब तक जो थे ला ला था, अब ये नाम. नून जबर, आइन जबर, मीम के ऊपर सुकून. नाम. Two sounds. Na'am. Ain sound should come little down from the throat. Naam. Yes. Then this question is depicting a star and asking, Ahaza Najmun, is this a star? Naam. Haza Najmun. Najm very frequently in Asian families, it is used for in the part of the name of the ladies, Najmun Nisa, I mean the star of the women, or Shamsun Nisa. Shams is sun. The sun of the women category. Or Khamrun Nisa, the moon. Khamar is moon. The moon of the ladies. Like that meaning. Najmun is star. Now Tamreen Talata, third practice. The two words, they keep coming in the practice session, all these things. The first part is Ikhra. Ikhra is very significant for us because that was the first word that was uttered by the Prophet Jibreel alayhi salam when he came with the teachings, divine teachings, Wahi, and started conveying this to the Prophet. The first word he uttered was Ikhra, read, read. Ikhra means read. Ikhra. This is affirmative. Then even part of one type of verb, affirmative, ikhra, order or request. Ikhra. Wa means and. Read and uktub. So when wa comes, it is joined together at end. Waktub. Ikhra waktub. Which means write. Read and write. So you have to practice these things. In the beginning, he was giving these all harkat, zabar, zir, sukun. Now, the teacher expects that we would have known the correct position of harkat of sound of these words. So he had not given. So he wants us to read each one of these words and then write back with the full harkat. First word is Haza maktabun. So if you write, put a, see this Haza, though it is pronounced Haza, it will be just on Fatah here, Zaba only, sir. Which literally will be small, so Haza, but it should be pronounced Haza. This is the same pattern. In some Asian books, a small alif will be written here, and it will be Haza. Otherwise, just Zabar will be there, but the sound has to be prolonged. Haza, this Haza maktubun, this is a table. Haza masjidun, this is a masjid or mosque. Haza khalamun, this is a pen. Haza sarirun, this is a bed. Bed, couch, all this banding comes. Then there is a question now, interrogation. Ma haza, what is this? That will elicit the answer, what it is. For example, if it is a chair, the answer will be haza kursiyun. While practicing writing, you must try to put all the harkat.
Uncle, your voice we cannot hear.
Now is okay.
Yeah.
So haza kursiyun, or the kaf, a page, raf or ra, you have to put a sukun, sa, zir, kasra, ya tashdid, and do pesh, kursiyun. Haza kursiyun. Okay. Then ahaza baitun, this question elicits and expects answer in negative or positive. Ahaza bait, if it is a house, we'll say naam haza bait. अगर घर नहीं है तो बोलेंगे ला हाजा जो है वो हाजा मस्जिदुन या जो भी है वो चीज जैसे ला ये मस्जिद थी तो हाजा बैतुन मस्जिद को दिखा के पूछ रहे तो वो कहते हैं कि ला नहीं हाजा मस्जिदुन ये मस्जिद है मा हाजा व्हाट इज दिस अगर वो चाबी है तो आंसर विल बी हाजा मिफ्ताहुन की ठीक है आज का हम तक बस है या विल गो सम मोर जी I strongly recommend you to please get those set of books. 3 set of books, totaling about 500 pages. That will cost about 450 rupees. You can get it online. That will come to home within a couple of days. So till this we'll go. Some more thing will start. They will take one more word, new word. The first word lesson, part of the lesson had subject of ma haza. What is this? What usually is used for inanimate objects, non-persons, or for animals. But for intellectuals or individuals, it is man, who. Man haza means who is this? Now the questions will be about persons. So the question is formulated as man haza, who is this? Here you can see one figure with a stethoscope in his neck. So obviously the doctor. Man haza tabibun. Who is this? This is a doctor. Here small boy like the figure is drawn. In Arabic, photography is discouraged. So in the figures also, the full face is not expressed. Only some sketch is given. Man haza, who is this? Haza waladun. He's a boy. He's a lad. Man haza, this is doctor. Haza tabibun. Man haza waladun. यहाँ पे one boy apparently going carrying a bag and going, looks like a student. Man haza, who is this? Haza talibun. Talib is student.
A student.
Yes. Talibun is the Pope in Urdu and other language we say talibul ilm. Ilm is knowledge, seeker of ilm. But student itself with talib is sufficient on someone who is in search of something, in needing something, who is asking for something. Haza talibun. Talibun is a student. Haza talibun. Haza talibun. अब ये next, he looks like a more little taller. So this is an adult man. So the question is, Ahaza waladun, is this a boy? Obviously it's not a boy. So the question is la. No. Haza rajulun. Rajulun is a man.
Man.
Man. ठीक है? I think we got about 5 minutes. We'll see, we'll take a few questions, a few more of these new words. Then we'll stop hopefully. So ahaza waladun, is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. Rajulun is man. If you replace this zamma with a kasar, zir, rajulin. Okay, we'll come later. Haza rajulun, this is a ahaza waladun, is this a boy? No, la, haza rajulun. Page 9 is over. Now we go to page 9. See, for example, ma haza, because it is an inanimate object, is a masjid. So the question is ma haza. The answer is haza masjidun. And the next question is asking a point of view person is asking man haza, who is this? That person, if it's a merchant, the answer would be haza tajirun. This is a merchant. Man is who, ma is what. Next, kalbun, dog. Haza kalbun. This is a dog. Next, it's a creature smaller than dog, a little delicate, so looks like a cat. So he's asking, ahaza kalbun, is this a dog? Though it is not a dog, looks like a cat. So la, no, haza khitun. This is a cat. अब देखिए, for human beings, we did not say for ताजर को, we didn't say ma haza. So man बोले, man haza. इंसान के लिए man haza. अरबी ज़बान में humans, angels and jinn, they are considered to be the creatures with some responsibility, with some sense. सेंसिबल और सेंसिटिव, तो इन तीनों के लिए मन का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. और एनिमल्स विल बी ट्रीटेड एज लाइक दे आर जस्ट लाइक जस्ट इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. हाजा कलबुन मा हाजा, विल नॉट से मन हाजा. ये गधा है, हिमार. मन हाजा नहीं बोलेंगे इसको, इसको मा हाजा बोलेंगे फिर. हाजा हिमारुन. दिस वन इज द शेप ऑफ ए हॉर्स. इसको हाजा हिमारुन, इज दिस ए डोंकी? ला. At this stage, the answer should be La. Haza hisanun. The horse is hisanun. Haza hisanun. Again, Ma haza. What is this? Haza jamalun. Jamalun is camel. Male camel has got other name. If a female camel has got a different name. Ibili also is a male camel. Nakhatun is a female camel. Ma haza jamalun. Ma haza, what is this? This is a cock. This is a murga. Deek. Haza deekun. Now a class is there, student sitting here, teacher is taking class. Now we say, who is this? We'll not say ma haza, we'll say man haza. Who is this? Haza mudarrisun. Just note this word, mudarrisun. In Arabic countries and West Asian countries, the mudarrisun, the shidda is the tashdid is there. What we read two times, but there is written below the tashdid. In our Asian transcriptions, we'll write tashdid here. They will be here. But in Arabic speaking countries, mudarrisun, there will not come down to the word, it will be just below the tashdid. Mudarrisun. Haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Okay. Is depicted this a mindil. Mindil is a kerchief, small towel, kerchief, and tissue paper. Mindil. Ahaza khamisun. ये खमीस नहीं है. हाजा mindilun is a handkerchief, or you can say tissue. I think it just how many? Okay, if 2 minutes, we'll finish this exercise. Tamreen. Iqra means read. Read. Waktub and write. Ma haza has just given the sentences, question, answer both. He expects us to write with their connotations. Zabar here. Ma zabar. Zabar. Ma haza khalamun. So must practice that. In fact, in the Arabic languages on the newspapers and textbooks, whether for the adults or children, the script is like this only. Zero zabar will not be there. So you have to presume that you know haza khalamun should be familiar words. Only when very new words will have the detailed harkats. Ma haza khalamun. What is this? This is a pen. Haza kalbun. This is dog. Man haza, man is who is this? Haza tabibun, this is a doctor. Haza jamalun, this is a camel. Ahaza kalbun, is this a dog? La, no. Haza khitun, this is a cat. Ahaza dikun, is this a cock? Naam. अगर है तो खैर नाम खड़ा सकते हैं, चाहे तो कहीं नाम हाजा दीकुन भी बोल सकते हैं. हाजा हिसानुन, अगर नहीं है तो ला हाजा हिमारुन. हाजा मिंदीलुन, दिस इज ए kerchief or small towel or tissue paper. Ahaza waladun, is this a boy, a lad? Naam. You can stop there or you can further add up and say Naam, haza waladun. If you are adding up, this should not be gap. Naam, haza waladun. Man haza, who is this? This is a man. Haza rajulun. तो इंशाल्लाह फर्स्ट लेसन खत्म हुआ. we'll stop here, and I strongly suggest you please get this book, Durusul Arabiya. You can just write Arabic course book, Madina University, Medina Islamic University, Arabic course book set of 3 for English speaking people by Abdur Rahim. In fact, if you get time, you just Google on YouTube about Abdur Rahim, Arabic teacher. You have his interviews, a lot of history about his achievements, his life cycle, etc. So we are almost nearing the end of the session. We stop here and pray Allah to make our journey easy, make us steadfast, and may Allah help us in grasping the language, the intricacies, the beauty of the language, so that our prayers will be more meaningful and our supplications will be satisfying. So till we meet next, we say Allah Hafiz fi amanillah ilal liqai. So please, if you can get this, if you have a hard copy paperback, ordinary one, it will be easier. You can make notes in class, and you can, if you don't nothing not new words, you can underline and ask it later on to me or to somebody else, or look in dictionary, and it is worth it. 3 sets of book. The cover top will be like this only in same way. Madina Islamic University, Arabic language course for English speaking students by Abdul Rahim. Madina University, Arabic course for English speaking students by Abdul Rahim. You can take one snapshot also. So first page will be like this. So inshallah we stop here. Till we meet next time. Fi aman Allah.